behalf of LG&E and KU and WHAS 11, I want to say a big congratulations to Mr. McCoy. You are an ExCEL Award recipient.
Thank you.
And I can always just see, based upon what the kids are doing when you walk in, that Mr. McCoy is a true teacher who deserves this award. So I'm very proud to stand up here. I'm a big believer in career and technical education, huge believer in the academies of Louisville. And so I think it is a great honor to stand up here and represent one of our career and tech education teachers.
Mr. McCoy is an incredible individual who leads our welding program with a strong work ethic and lots of passion, both of which he tries to instill in all of his students. He is so very deserving of the ExCEL Award, and I'm thrilled to be part of this celebration.
You know, I was thinking to myself this morning when I was awake, I was thinking that my acceptance speech is here. Literally, my acceptance speech is here in this audience. I feel that they need as much credit to this award that I am so honored to receive today. And I really, truly thank you all for this.